Good day once again. This is Ola from Cryptrex. Today's video I am going to show you how to execute trade signals from Cryptrex signal groups on your MetaTrader 4 or your MetaTrader 5. This right now is my MetaTrader 4. They basically have the same interface. They're basically the same thing. So I'm just going to use my MetaTrader 4 to explain, then I'll open the MetaTrader 5 briefly, but I want to make this video as fast as possible. Now, this account I'm using right now is a demo account. As you can see up here, it is a demo account, but to have a live account, you need a broker for that. And there are a list of brokers on the pin charts of our Telegram channels, all Telegram channels, and even the Telegram community, the Cryptrex community, the Cryptrex Academy, the Cryptrex Signals group, even on the Cryptrex exclusive for those that have paid for our exclusive package, right? So on there, that is where you get to register. So you can check our pin messages for the brokers we use and select any one of your choice, register on them, get it verified, and I will definitely drop videos on how to link these brokers to your MetaTrader 4. And if you have any issues with any of the brokers, you can definitely contact us so we could explain to you and put you through. Now let's just go straight on to the MetaTrader 4 app. Now the first thing I want you to do here is come here to this three dots up here, right? Come there and then scroll down to settings. Now under your settings, I want you to click on advanced mode, remove other sounds. I personally don't like those sounds, right? Then go to the bottom and click on colors. Under colors, I want you to take a screenshot of this screen right now and basically use all the same colors that I have there. You can use all the same colors and basically just set yours to this. Do you understand? Just set yours to this. Okay, so that's that for that. Then we can come here to our screen. At the bottom of the screen, you can see that all the navigations of the app are at the bottom of the screen. And this first place here is what we call the quotes side. What this shows is, what this particular page shows you is, it shows you every currency pair, or every currency pair that you have your eye on, right? Every currency pair you have your eye on, and the quotes that are going on, the price changes that are happening in the market at the time you're opening the market, right? So it's basically the bid and ask prices for these currency pairs depending on the currency pair you want to trade, right? So now if you go to the next tab here, it shows you the charts. Now when you come to charts, that's the second tab right here, it basically just shows you the actions going on in the market. Do you understand? It shows you the actions going on in the market based on price. These are candlesticks here. I'm not here to really explain anything about the technicals. I just want to show you what is happening here in the market, right? So that's what the charts is about. Under the charts, you could pull up some of your indicators. Here, right here, you see this, you click on that F and you pick whatever you want to pick, but I don't need any indicator right now because I don't use any of this to trade. I don't use this MetaTrader to analyze the market, to do my technical analysis. I use TradingView. You can go to tradingview.com and use TradingView. They have basically every tool you want to talk about there. So here basically, let's pick a currency pair from here, EUR USD, right? Let's pick it. I open the chart, I do my analysis, I look at it, you understand, whatever, for people that do their analysis on their MetaTrader, and then I click on this particular icon here. You can see the bottom of my screen shows new order. I click on new order, and this is where you learn how to take your trade. Now, depending on the type of trade you're asked to take, if it is market execution, when you see something called CMP in our trade signal, it means enter the market at the current market price. So that's when you use market execution right here. But if not, if you're asked to buy at a particular price, you use your buy limit. If you're asked to sell at a particular price, you use your sell limit. Now this gives you the option to do what? To put in the price you were asked to go in at. Do you understand? Let's say what, 1.1555, you are asked to go in at that price, to sell at that price. And then this red bar, you can notice this bar below this particular figure here is red. is your stop loss. Let's say your stop loss is at 1.156666. Then this green bar here is your take profit. Let's say the take profit was put at let's say 1 point. This is a sell, so let's say 1.140000. Do you understand? Yeah, and then you set up your lot size here. This is plus, this is minus, depending on the account that you're using. I have a chart for lot size which I will upload in the in the academy group, so that depending on, it gives you, that chart gives you the lot size to use depending on the account or the amounts that you have in your account, right? So you can set up your lot size here, and then you click right here on place. This is for a sell limit. You can also do the same for a buy limit depending on what the signal tells you to do. So if they say buy, you click here, you click on buy limit, you put in the entry price which was specified in the signal right in here, you put in the stop loss right in here, you put in your take profit right in here, and you place your order. And that is that for that. Every other thing here, this particular tab here shows you your equity. Like for this demo account, I was given $100,000 to practice with. Do you understand? So it shows you your equity, your balance, and everything. You could have a history here. Do you understand? Your history basically shows you all the trades you've taken, and you could use it as proof to people, those that were in profit, those that were in loss. It will show all here when you take trades with it. This is newsfeed. And then we have messages. Depending on when you've logged into a live account or your broker and everything, the messages will come up here. But the importance of this particular video is to show you how to take a trade, which I hope you've understood from here. You understand? Setting your lot size, pick buy limit, sell limit, whatever it is. Set up your lot size, put in your price here, put in your stop loss here, and then put in your take profit here, and you place your order and wait for money to be made. Yeah, so that's basically it for this video today. Thank you very much for watching this. If you have any requests you want, whatever video you want us to make, please be sure to let us know in the community group, and we will make the video just for your sake. We would attend to it like immediately. Thank you very much. Peace.